Hello trader, hope that you had an enjoyable trading day. Looking at two important JPY pairs, GJ and UJ. Both of these instrument currently showing significant trading opportunity with the market opening. Now, as you can see from the lower time frame, we see that this instrument is currently reversing from this support level. Now, before we look at how we can trade in this reversal, let's quickly look at bigger picture to see overall direction in the market, starting with GBPJPY. Now, GJ from long-term perspective, it's a long-term bullish market. As you can see with this impulse followed by this correction, the price was creating series of higher high and higher low, which is a long-term uptrending market structure. With that long-term uptrend, we see that in that zone, this is the monthly candle, and from this resistance the price had a big drop, followed by we have seen that GJ currently bouncing off this level from the monthly. And what I think that now the price started to merge with the long term direction. If we look at the weekly time frame to see a bit more clearer picture, we can see that this is the previous weekly candle with a long wick, huge bearish candle that in fact has broken this weekly support level, triggered a huge amount of liquidity, and today the market opened with a gap and we saw that immediate bounce to the upside. As this market has triggered that huge liquidity, I think that after a little pullback we can expect GBPJPY to remain bullish, as it is a long-term bull market. And if we look at the daily to see how the price is evolving, today also the market opened with a gap. This is the first day of trading week, and we saw that there was a narrower pin bar in that area. Now, with that pin bar, with this gap opening, the price has initially bounced to the upside. As there is an imbalance here, what I think that GJ may continue to rise after a little pullback to the upside to create a new higher high. Now, looking at further lower time frame from intraday perspective, we see that there was a consolidation, and with this liquidity grab, GBPJPY managed to break to the upside. Followed by, we have seen the market open with another bullish engulfer. And as there is a liquidity in that zone, if we draw this previous resistance line here, which is a very important level of resistance, has been broken, which turns support here. And what I think that with the upcoming session, we can expect GJ to come down again to retest this level, as we have seen a strong move, a pullback, and we can expect continuation to the upside towards its long-term uptrending direction, where this is a sub resistance here, and also resistance here, which is turning support, and we can expect it to continue to the upside. So this is where I will be waiting for a retest on this level. As soon as we find the price has tested this level, upon price action confirmation, we will look for going long on GBPJPY with a high probability trade setup with our students. Now let's look at dollar yen, starting with again the monthly. Now, like the GJ, dollar yen also a long-term bullish market. We have seen previous months there was a bearish candle, followed by this month had a big drop. Again, dollar yen also has come to this significant monthly support level, and from this zone we saw this bounced, the price bounced from that level, and the price has come to the same level. And from this zone we see that dollar yen again bouncing off this level. Now, looking at a weekly time frame to see, there is a long wick candle. From the weekly, the price tested this smart money zone, which is a high liquidity area, form a long wick candle. And as a result, we see that this week, once the market open initial bounce, we can expect for the price now to drop for a deeper pullback and then to continue to rise to the uptrending direction. Now, looking at daily here on dollar yen as well, after last day of trading week, a pin bar today. So far the price has gone up again and tested this previous resistance, previous support, down resistance here, And if we extend this level, we can see that this level is quite significant, and from this zone we can expect for dollar yen to drop further for a pullback before moving up again to create a new higher high. Now, intraday perspective, where dollar yen also has made a move, we can expect a pullback to this previous resistance as a support, and then we can expect for the price to give us new higher high. Now, this is the previous resistance here, turning support here on dollar yen, and as soon as we will find suitable entry on dollar yen from this zone, we will look for going long with a high probability trade setup with our students. If you enjoyed this analysis, don't hesitate to like and also subscribe to the channel. Thank you, and I'll see you soon in my next analysis.